What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the button, turn on post notifications. Today's video is going to be going over 3 different things that will help you create content while you're in the shop. Now, they're very inexpensive things that are found on TikTok Shop. I'll put the links below. I'm not affiliated. I don't have no sponsorship, no code to save you any money or anything like that. But all 3 of these things are very, very cheap. They're very, very affordable, and they play a very, very great use in the shop. And I've used these 3 items. I use them daily, 3 daily. So one of them is going to be the one that I'm using right now. As you can see, I got a mic attached to me right now. I'm going to go over some of the specifications over this mic set that I got. So the mic set is 13 something on TikTok Shop. It's no more than $14. It took, like, I want to say maybe 4 to 5 days to actually ship to me. So it is a wireless microphone. It does come with 2. It's a plug and play. This is for the USB-C connection to the iPhone. 20 meters of accessible reception, precise audio, highly sensitive, widely compatible for Type-C. It does come with a charging cord as well as a case that charges and holds a charge for yourself. This is a really dope, just overall tool to use. Now, what comes in the box is going to be your user manual, of course, and then also you have a box inside that contains your wind cover that goes over your mic, so that way it'll absorb the sound. Like if it's a windy day, it really helps deter from the wind messing with your audio. It does come with a USB cord to charge, as well as 2 of those little covers for your mics, because it does come with 2 microphones. So that is really dope. Also, we'll get to the actual case. And as you can see here, when you open the case up, you do have 2 microphones inside, and you also have the USB-C connector that hooks up to your phone. So inside all that little case, you got, like I said, you get the 2 mics. And then once you put in the microphone, you'll see a little LED screen pop up, and that'll show you that your actual microphones are charging. It shows you how much percentage of battery life that the actual case has, and it shows little red LED indicator lights on your microphone to let you know that it is charging. So overall, super great buy. You really can't beat that. Like I said, inside the shop, it is something that I use on a daily basis, and I'll give you guys a look inside the shop to show you guys how it sounds in the shop with all the noise and the commotion going on inside the shop when you're there. So I'll let you guys get a look at that. All right, y'all, so this is the audio without the mic system that we got here. But once we put the mic into the little jack thing, you'll be able to see the difference in sound that we get as far as like being precise on where the sound is coming from. Right now you hear all the sound from all the shop, the speaker, all that. But once I put the mic on, you'll be able to hear just directly my voice. And I'm gonna go stand back there so you can pick up the voice as well. As you can see, we're standing away from the speaker now, across the actual shop. Probably, I'd say about 15 feet, maybe 18 feet away from the actual camera setup. But that's how clear we got the sound now with the actual mic. So this is a good investment if you are in a loud or busy shop. This is something I'd say to invest in. It's not that expensive, and it'll just help get you better sound quality if you're trying to record content in a busy area or loud area, such as a barbershop. Now, the next thing I got off the TikTok shop is going to be a harness that sits around your neck. I'll include some clips how that looks on your body, posted up around your neck with your actual phone setting inside the harness. All right, y'all, the last thing I'm gonna show y'all is gonna be this little thing right here. You might be thinking, what in the world is that? So I'm gonna show y'all. So right here, there's a little magnet opening. You can put that right there. You wrap this around your head, and then this part right here, there's a little cushion that sits right on your chest. I'm gonna have to move this mic so you guys can see that. And then right here, this part is where your phone sits. So you do have to have like a MagSafe case. I'm not sure if it works without a case or not, or just with the phone, but that sits right there. It's not going anywhere. It's a magnetic thing, so it sits there. It's not gonna move. It's pretty sturdy. Haven't had no problems with that. But you could adjust this thing. So if you need it to sit, well, let me put it on and show y'all. This thing, like I said, sits around your neck. Put it right there. You could adjust and tighten this part right here if you need to lift this up and down. I mean, you can pretty much move it if it's tight, like not super tight. And then you have a little ball joint at the very bottom right here. This allows you to twist you loosen it up here. If you need to turn this, you can just twist this right here any which way. This part also turns, so you get 360 angles of what you're trying to look at. So if you want to shoot like a vertical video, you can just put this to the side, twist this part to the side, put your phone here. That'll give you an area to get a vertical view of what you're doing. Now, if you want like a horizontal view, you just twist this, you twist your phone, boom. So then you got a horizontal view of what you're looking at. So I'll show you some clips of me using this from a POV angle so you can kind of see what it's looking like. And that allows you to give your content consumers a POV type of look to the haircut. It frees up both hands, so you can include both hands while you're cutting, and it shows the consumer of your content, like I said, a more POV look. Allows you to function and maneuver a lot easier when you're doing haircuts and stuff like that. Well, that's how I use it personally for me. But this is great for any content creator, whether you may be baking, you might be drawing, you might be playing a guitar, I don't know. Whatever you may be doing, you need both hands. This tool is extremely useful for that. And I believe that one was like 13, it was like 12 something, 13 bucks, around there. So two tools, we're looking at what, $26, $27 for both of those, and it'll take your content game just up another notch, help you to create content more freely, and just allow you to be more creative with the process in which you're doing things. So with that being said, you've seen the microphone setup and you've seen the harness setup. And the third thing I'm going to introduce you guys to is going to be a tripod. All right, y'all, the next thing that we're gonna look at from TikTok that'll help you with content creation is gonna be this tripod right here. Oh, almost dropped it. Literally very compact. You can put this in a backpack, barber case. It just folds up. You can adjust this part right here up and down. Your phone goes in this area, and you can twist this. So if you need to do vertical videos, you got it like that. Horizontal videos, you got it like that. All you do to extend the legs is loosen up this orange little, I don't even know what to call this, but you just loosen this up, lefty loosey, and then you can go ahead and open up the legs here all the way down, righty tighty. And then there's no like twisting to extend it at all. It has like some type of like pressure system, but you just open this up, and I believe it stands up to 50. Well, I'm 5'8", so this is probably standing at about maybe 5 feet, maybe a little like 5'3". I'm guessing. I'm not sure. I have to get that exact dimensions, but it's extremely high. So it's very sturdy. Let's see if you can get the legs here. So here are the legs. As you can see, it's not like all wobbly. And then you can lower it if you need to, if you want to shoot something low. Overall, though, I think it's a extremely great buy. I got it on TikTok for 12 bucks. So this will help out with content creation, give you more hands-free. This will help with that. Now this tripod is very maneuverable. It's compact. It folds down easily. It's easy to store away in a backpack. You can put it in a barber case. It's just something that is just easily accessible, not too heavy. It's just overall a great tool to have inside the shop, especially if you don't want to use the harness. This is something that you can put off to the side if you're recording YouTube tutorials or whatever you may be using. For me, all the content that I have created thus far for my YouTube channel has all been off my iPhone. And yeah, I haven't used a professional camera for any of the content that I create. So that's a huge, I hope that's an encouragement to anybody that's out there creating content, that you don't need some like super expensive piece of equipment to create content. The lights I'm using inside my office here it's going to be a purple. That will be a whole nother video. Let's just focus on the 3 things I got off of TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a little something different, away from clippers, trimmers, barber tools, and stuff like that. I just wanted to create something that will help out people to create content, to be able to afford, buy affordable things, and let you guys see that it's not something that has to be super expensive to create content. A lot of times I think that we overthink content creation. We overthink the tools that we need to create content, and we overthink a lot of things in life. But hopefully this video finds you in a place where you can spend $45, $45 to $50, I think is overall what all three of these things cost to take your content up another level. If you do it from barber math, it's going to be like one haircut and beard. So for $50 for one haircut, you can get 3 different tools to help you create more content. Like I said, hopefully this video helps somebody out. Share the video, like the video, comment, subscribe. I'll leave links to all the tools that I mentioned down below. And last but not least, if you are looking for clippers and trimmers, if you're looking for anything in that aspect, make sure you go to tpobusa.com or thepistofbarber.com. Use code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. I do have to throw that in there because tpob tools are extremely affordable. They help feed your boy as well. I do have my own influencer edition clipper as well. If you have not caught that, go to amazon.com. I'll leave a link down below as well. Anytime you guys support me, support using the discount code, you support buying my signature clipper. Anytime you guys do any of that stuff, it is very supportive and just kind of helps overall me to continue to create content and do these things for y'all that are viewers. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notification. And if you do purchase any 3 of these things, make sure you follow me at @JBlends_. Let me know you cop one of these things and let me know how it's working out for y'all. Make sure you drop a comment down below of what you want to see next. But until next time, God bless.